Number 4, we can use law of sines for this because we have an angle and the side opposite that angle. Before we do that, before we find missing sides, let's find the missing angle. Pretty simple. If you sum the three angles in any triangle, they will always sum to 180 degrees. That's the angle sum theorem. $29 and 33 is 62. If you subtract 62 from both sides, you get 118. So angle C is 118 degrees. So to finish this problem, we're going to use law of sines. We're going to take sine of an angle, set it over top of its opposite side. I'm going to use that for both of these. When you start out using the law of sines, you want to make a ratio using numbers only. So I got sine of 29 over 41. It's the only way I can do it. Then to find your missing measurement, like here for C we're trying to find, we take lower c, little c, lowercase, put it underneath the fraction where the top of the fraction is sine of uppercase C, specifically 118 degrees in this problem. Over here on the right, work for A, we would use sine of 33 degrees divided by the side opposite of that, which is lowercase a. If we solve this equation on the left, work for C. If you multiply both sides by 41 and C, on the left you get C times sine of 29 degrees. On the right, you get 41 times sine of 118 degrees. If you divide both sides by sine of 29, you get C equals 41 times sine of 118 degrees divided by sine of 29 degrees. Put that in your calculator. Assuming I typed it in correctly, gives me C is a gargantuan 74.7. It's opposite the biggest angle, and that's a big number, so that's a definite possibility. To figure out side A, I'm going to multiply both sides by 41 and A again. On the left, it gives us A times sine of 29 degrees. On the right, we get 41 times sine of 33 degrees. If we divide both sides by sine of 29 to separate it from the times A, we get the following. Put that in your handy dandy, also known as your calculator. Heavy on the tor, light on the calc. You get 46.05, which rounds to 46. Uno. Uno is Spanish for one. There we go.